The garage. Look at the puddle. Big splash. Splashing with your hands? Oh yeah. Good splashing, yeah. Potter. Come here, bud. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, bud. Good splashing, yeah. Big puddle over there. That's water, eh? Yeah. Are you giving me something? Oh, psyche. You're funny. Oh yeah, I'm laughing. Don't fall in that puddle. I'll be laughing even louder. Ja. Oh, leave your boots on. Leave your boots on. Abby, we're going to put your boots on or we're going to go in the house. Leave your rubber boots on, oh my. Good job. Oh boy. Good one, Abs. Yeah. Uh-oh, are you all wet? Abby. Can you look at Daddy? Abby, look at me. Are you laying in a puddle? Do you want some help? Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. That's the camera. Yeah, you don't touch it. Oh, you got it all wet, silly. You're silly. Yeah. Oh, the puddle is leaking, eh? Okay.